But what is Amazon KDP? The reason I'm talking about what Amazon KDP, I want to explain what Amazon KDP is right now, is because there are people I have spoken with recently while I was preparing this webinar. I find that a lot of people don't even know anything about Amazon KDP. So I'm going to explain what Amazon KDP is. Amazon KDP is Kindle Direct Publishing, originally known as the Digital Text Platform. It was created to enable authors and publishers self-publish their book directly to Kindle store for free. Yes, you can publish your book online and start making money in as little time as 24 hours. And you don't have to pay Amazon anything for publishing your book with them. All they need is when you make a sale of your book, you give them a percentage from the sale that you make. That is how Amazon get their book, but they allow you to publish your book free of charge. You can publish as many books as you want, and you can publish different types of books on Amazon KDP. So that is it about Amazon KDP for those that have not heard about it before. Now, this webinar is going to be in two sections. The first section, I am going to be taking it, and we're going to be talking about who can publish on Amazon KDP, what you need to publish on Amazon KDP, and 5 things you must know before getting started on Amazon KDP. And the second section is how to get started on Amazon KDP, and it's going to be handled by Mr. Ashley Wealth Victor. I'm going to be talking about him a little later. So let's get on our webinar. So who can publish on Amazon KDP? Anyone. Yes, anyone who wants an extra income source can publish on Amazon KDP. If you hate sales and referrals, I've had people that say anything sales, please don't say anything about sales where I am. I hate sales. I hate anything referrals. It's okay. I mean, if you hate those things, doesn't mean you can't make money. You can still make money. So if you don't want to do any business that's related to sales and referrals, Amazon KDP is for you. If you are a student and a 9-5er, you have limited time, Amazon KDP is for you. If you are a copper or a stay-at-home mom or dad, Amazon KDP is for you. Yes, stay-at-home moms and dad can be classified among people that do not have enough time, because yes, they are staying at home, but doesn't mean that they have all the time in the world. I mean, taking care of kids is not easy. So this is something that can help you use your limited time to make money, and not just money but dollars. Now on to the next is what you need to publish on Amazon KDP. What you need. What do you need? All you need is your smartphone or laptop and your internet connection. And then you also need a strong desire to grow. Yes, you need a strong desire to grow, because yes, it's nothing good comes easy. So without that desire, you may not be able to put in what is required to get successful on Amazon KDP. Now we are going to be talking about 5 things you must know before getting started on Amazon KDP. Your book cover. Yes, your book cover is what will sell your book first. So you must pay attention to it. Your book title and your subtitle must also be captivating as well, because it's the next thing that your clients will see right after your book cover. Then you also have keywords or an audience research on your niche. It's a big must. It's a really big must. It's not negotiable. It's not something you should think about doing or not. You must do it. You have to do it. Your book description is another chance you get to pitch to your readers. And also the 5th thing you need to consider is how many books you write. The more, the better. One alone is never enough. So let's get on it and let's see how you can make these things work in your favor in your publishing journey on Amazon KDP. Your book cover design. It must be captivating and attractive, because your book cover design is the first thing your customer will ever come across, and that is what will get them to click or not. That's it. While they are scrolling, whether they stop or not to find out more about your book cover design, it is the one that is going to be doing that for you. It's your book cover design that will be doing that for you, so you don't want to play with that. Now, how do you make it captivating and attractive? One way is to search for best-selling books in your niche or the topic you're writing about and see what makes them stand out. Then model your book cover similarly. Model, I said, not copy, please. Yes, I mean, you can't just go on Amazon KDP and model your and copy someone's cover and use it on your book. I mean, that is, you know what that means. It's not a good practice. So I'm not telling you to copy, I'm telling you to model. Look for what is unique, look for what makes them stand out, and do something similar to that. Then ignore people that tell you you should not pay attention to your book cover. I don't pay too much attention to your book cover. No. People judge books by their cover every day on Amazon KDP. It's human nature. I mean, we judge books by their cover. No matter how many times we keep getting told not to judge books by their cover, it's what we do. It's human nature. Even if we don't want to, it's what we do. So you need to make this work for you. Make people stop at your book and want to see what you are writing about and want to read your book. The next thing is your book title and subtitle. It must be attention grabbing, and you can do this by making an irresistible promise to solve a problem. People go on Amazon KDP, on Google every day to search for solutions to their problems. So if you are writing your book to solve a particular problem, you should make sure that your promise is very irresistible, because there are millions of other books out there that are solving the same problem, that are giving out the same information you are giving out. So you should make it an irresistible promise. You can also make it a statement that arouses curiosity. People are curious minds everywhere. I mean, everybody wants to find the end to a matter. Everybody wants to know the end to a matter. When they see something that catches their curiosity, they want to know what it is, they want to know what it is about. So if your book title and subtitle can grab people's curious minds, it's a good thing for you if it can arouse curiosity. Make a controversial statement depending on your niche. So if your niche allows it, make a controversial statement. People like controversy, no matter how they pretend not to, they do. So if you make a controversial statement, people would want to find out what you are saying about this. They may want to prove you right, or they may want to use what you are saying to prove themselves right. It's in humans' nature. So if you can grab their attention by making a controversial statement on your title and subtitle, then you have them. Your title and subtitle also needs to be memorable. You can do that by making your title and subtitle easy to say, especially your title. It should be easy to say. It should be searchable and not embarrassing. It should be easy to say, such that when somebody reads your book or somebody sees your book somewhere, they can say it. They can say what they saw. They can tell their friends, this is what I saw this book, I think you should read it. Because word of mouth marketing is one of the best marketing you can have for any business you are doing. So if you can make your book easy to say by people would want to share your book with their friends by telling them to read your book, and then at the end of the day you have more people buying your book. Make it searchable and not embarrassing to say. If you make an embarrassing statement as the title and subtitle of your book, there's hardly anybody that would want to say it and tell their friends about it, because nobody likes to be embarrassed in public. Something else you can do for your book title and subtitle is to make it informative. Your book title and subtitle should be able to tell your potential reader what topic you are talking about in your book. You don't want your potential reader to start guessing what your book is about. I mean, oh, this is the title of the book, this is the subtitle, but what is the topic? What is this person talking about? No, it is your duty to already provide the information on your topic and the niche you are writing about on your book title and subtitle. People don't want to be stressed. Then the last thing you can do, which is not the last, but it's something I think you can do to make your book also stand title and subtitle. Something else you can do to make your book subtitle and title stand out is to make your title a very short title. If you can make your book title a single word title, perfect, all the better. But if you can't, make it not more than 5 words. That's for your book title, because you have your subtitle to say more about your book, but your book title should be short and brief and straight to the point. So that's it for your title and subtitle. Those are some tips that you can use to make your title and subtitle stand out to your potential readers. So next on 5 things you must know before getting started on Amazon KDP is your audience and keywords research. Before you get started writing, you need to find who your audience will likely be and try and understand them. Know what topics and headlines they would find captivating, and also what keywords they would relate to. Also find out what their preferences would be. Would they prefer physical copies, soft copies, or audio copies? You need to find that out. And also find out where your audience will likely be found. Where would they be likely hanging out? So you can determine where you focus your attention to reaching your audience and building a community. Next is your book description. This is an opportunity for you to pitch to your potential readers. It is a major part of your book marketing, so you don't want to take this for granted. This is where you tell your prospective reader how your book stands out, what's unique about your book, and this is where you heighten their desire to want to read your book. So take it seriously and use keywords in your book description. Use keywords relevant to your client because you've already researched keywords. This is one way you can use keywords that can help your book perform really well on Amazon KDP. The next one is how many books you write. I've had people tell me, I've written a book on Amazon. I've written a book and published on Amazon for a couple months now, and I have not made a single sale. Well, why would you write a book and be satisfied with just one book? I mean, the more books you write, the better your chances of making massive sales, thereby making more money. You have to choose between making a name as a writer on Amazon KDP and actually making a lot of money on Amazon KDP. That's the two options you have. If you want to make money, you have to write as many books as possible and also follow all the tips I shared before to make your book stand out and make it sell. And also, I've seen people that say they just want to write a book on Amazon KDP so they can add to their CV, they can add to their bio. Fine, I'm a published writer on Amazon KDP. This is my book. Fine. If that's what you are looking for, one book may be enough for you. But if you are looking for a lot of money on Amazon KDP, you need to be ready to write as many books as possible. So that is it for the 5 things you need to pay good attention to before you start writing. Those are the 5 things you need to pay attention to in your publishing journey on Amazon KDP. Now, like I said, you have to write as many books as possible if you want to make a lot of money. But how do you do that? I mean, everybody is busy. There is limited time. So how do you write as many books as possible so as to make a lot of money? Well, the next section of this training is going to be handled by Mr. Victor Ashley Welts. Who is Mr. Victor Ashley Welts? He's going to be talking about how you can get started on Amazon KDP and how you can write as many books as possible in a very short time. Mr. Victor Ashley Welts is Africa's #1 Amazon KDP expert. In the past 8 years, he has gone from being as broke as kid, being evicted by his former landlord because he could not pay his rent. He had 0 digital marketing experience, 0 digital publishing experience, to becoming one of the top Amazon KDP experts in the world and generating thousands of dollars per month and generating thousands of dollars per month in royalties on Amazon KDP with no writing skills. How did he do that? How did he achieve that? We are going to find out in his session. So let's head on to his session now and listen to Mr. Ashley. Let him give us his story and how he did it and how he can actually help you to do the same.
Hey guys, I want to welcome you to this short video presentation on how you can make between $500 to $5,000 every month just by uploading books on Amazon without any writing skill. Yes, without any form of writing skill, without any form of text skill, without any form of graphic design skill. Okay, by the way, I am Victor Ashley Azubike, popularly known as Mr. Wealth. And the good news about this business opportunity I'm about to show you right now is that you can do it with your smartphone or your laptop. Yes, with your smartphone, you can do everything from A to Z. Okay, so just come with me. All right. So, like I said earlier, in this short video, I will show you how smart people like you and I all over the world are making between $500 to $5,000 and above every month just by uploading simple Word documents on Amazon without any form of writing skill. Yes. Now, this simple business model is called Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or what we call Amazon KDP. So, in the course of this short presentation, I might be using Amazon KDP or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing interchangeably. Just know that they mean one thing. Okay, so what we do is to upload simple Word documents as books on Amazon, and Amazon will pay us as its over 300 million regular monthly customers buy these books. Okay, take note again, you do not have to be a writer to do this. All right, before I tell you how Amazon KDP works, let me quickly show you a few result of our students all over the world. We have over 1,300 students from over 25 countries. So let me quickly show you how these smart guys are doing on generating thousands of dollars every month just by implementing this simple business strategy. Okay, now come with me. You can see this first person over $114 made in 11 hours. The person said, "Good morning, my mentor. God will bless you for us. So I'm sacking my employers soon because of KDP." This other person made $141 in 24 hours, over $80 made in 24 hours, $97.98 made in 24 hours, over $200 made in 24 hours, $58 made in 24 hours, $126 made in 24 hours, $3,332 made in 30 days. Wow, this is awesome. $1,004 made in 11 days. Awesome. $1,599, that's approximately $1,600 made in 30 days. As you can see, the person said, "My second month." That is the person's second month. Wow. 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 This is awesome. It's getting interesting, right? It's just awesome, honestly. This other person, $1,457 in 30 days, $2,426 in 30 days, $4,211. Awesome, amazing. 2.6 million naira in just 1 month. That is about $5,300. Wow. $6,000. That is 3.1 million in 30 days. These are proven real testimonies from our students. 2.5 million in 30 days. Now, you've seen testimonies. We have lot of testimonies. But let me quickly tell you, what is this Amazon KDP about? What is this business? What is this business? Now, you need to know that Amazon KDP is the publishing section of Amazon.com. I'm sure you know about Amazon, owned by Jeff Bezos, right? A very big company. All right. So Amazon KDP is just their publishing, digital publishing section. All right. And you can publish books, both your books or that of a third party, on Amazon for free through the Amazon KDP platform. What I mean by third party is you can also publish somebody else's book and they pay you for that. Interesting, right? Cool. The books that you publish on Amazon, they can be long reads. By long reads, I mean books with high um, page numbers, maybe 100, 200, 300, 500. You will also have short reads, maybe 20 pages, 25 pages, 30 pages, 35. These are the type of books I focus on. Okay, they are easy to create and they make more money for you as well. We also have low and no content books like notebooks. You know, notebooks, the one you use in primary school, in secondary school, your tertiary educational level. That notebooks, you can create it in 5 minutes using Canva. We will teach you how to do that. We will teach you how to do that. You can also create activity books, puzzle books, workbook, sketchbook, logbooks, and other types of books and sell on Amazon. Okay? And again, you don't need to be a writer to do this. I have emphasized this and I'm re-emphasizing it again. You do not need to be a writer to do this. Okay? You can just use our writing without writing formula. That is www formula to create and publish a book in a day using your smartphone or a laptop. Yes, your smartphone can do it. A laptop can do it. So no excuses not to be engaged in this awesome business. You can also decide how much you want to sell your book. Somebody will tell you, John, your book has to be $1. Mary, your book has to be $5. No, you decide how much you want to sell your books. It is a free market, okay? And you get to pay Amazon a certain commission for using their platform. You know, they provided the platform for us and we publish books. They have customers and their customers buy our books and we give them a certain commission. Sweet business, right? Now, let me tell you how this Amazon KDP works. Very simple. Now, let's say you create, in quote, I didn't say write, I said create. Because what we will teach you is how to create, not how to write. Okay? So let's say you create and publish a book and price that book $7.99. And let's just assume only 100 people buy that book in a day. You know, Amazon, they have over 300 million returning customers every month. And out of these 300 million returning customers, only 100 of them buy this book. And you make $7.99 from each copy sold. It means you are making $799 for you in that month. Interesting, right? Okay, now, what if you have more books? Or what if you even priced your book more than $7.99? What is the answer? It means more money for you. It's getting interesting, right? Good. Now, imagine you use our writing without writing formula to create and publish a book in a day. Yes, with our system, you can create a book in a day. You can publish a book in a day. As a matter of fact, when I started, I was able to use this formula to create and publish 2-3 books in less than 24 hours. Okay? Now, even if you are a very busy person or a very lazy person, with this formula, you can create at least 15 books in 30 days. Now, if each of these 15 books gives you just $100 per month, okay, it means you have 100 multiplied by 15. That is $1,500 in 30 days. Awesome. What if each of these will give you $200 per month, each of them? That is, you'll be having $3,000 in 30 days. Wow, that is awesome. So imagine making extra $3,000 every 30 days. In Nigeria, that is over 1.6 million in 30 days. If you are from India, from Ghana, from South Africa, from Canada, from Australia, wherever you are, you can just convert $3,000 to your local currency, and you see that that is an amazing amount of money. For me, I have over 200 books. So imagine how much I make daily or even monthly. Wow. Just imagine. I make good money from this business. Now, this is what I and my students do to consistently generate thousands of dollars monthly without spending any additional money for advert or hiring anyone to do anything for us. Okay? So with this business, you don't really need to spend any money to do anything because everything you need will be given to you in our academy. Okay? Now again, it is important to know that you don't need to be a writer. I am re-emphasizing this because I do not want you to say, oh, I'm not a writer, oh, I'm not an author. You do not need to be a writer. And you can do this with your phone. So what is the excuse? No excuse. No excuse. Of course, the only thing there is that you want to make money. And you can never make money and make excuses at the same time. You can either make one. And now it's time for us to make money and no excuses. That is why we developed this system for you. Writing without writing formula. You don't need to be a writer. And the ability to use your phone to do this. Interesting. It's getting more interesting. Now, our formula, writing without writing formula, it can help you to get started immediately, okay, without you having any form of writing skill. And with this formula, you can create a book in a day. One interesting thing about this opportunity is that you can create a book that has just 20 pages, 25 pages, 28 pages, 30 pages, 35 pages. They mustn't be too long. They mustn't be too lengthy. Okay, for me, the minimum I do is 24 pages. Okay, all right. Look at this testimony here. The person said, "I'm not good with writing at all. If not for this skill you taught, I am a big novice when it comes to writing." And you can see where I circled. The person said, "Meanwhile, I have made $500 this month." And as at when the person sent me this, that was 10th of May. All right, which means before the month ended, the person made close to $2,000. This other person said, "You are definitely a genius to have come up with a system as revolutionary as getting people who have been afraid to write ordinary composition at school to become best-selling authors using Kindle publishing." So you don't have any excuse. You don't have to be a writer. You don't have to be an author to get started, okay? See this awesome lady. She said, "Sir, your girl is cashing out in dollars now." Wow. I'm just happy for her. This other person too, over $900. Okay, these are practical, real testimonies from people. These other persons, $380 or so, $400 or so. Okay, this other person, one of our students, Dr. He made over $2,500 implementing our system. This other person made about 1 million naira, that is $1,950 in 30 days. This other person, $1,494 in 30 days. This other person, $858. This other person, $1,469 in 30 days. This other person, $1,457 in 30 days. Awesome, awesome, so interesting. Now, why should you do this business? That is a big question. Relax yourself. Ask yourself, why should I do this business? So these are the reasons why you need to do this business, among several other reasons. The first one is you become a digital publisher or a digital publishing consultant, which means whatever you are going to learn from us, it will equip you, all right, arm you, all right, shape you to become a digital publishing consultant, which means you can consult for people. People can come to you, "Please, I want to publish my book. How do I go about it?" And you chat them, they pay you, you guide them. That is how to make money. Okay? All right. Aside that as well, it gives you the opportunity to earn monthly passive income in dollars for life. For life. You see this company, Amazon, they've been existing for close to 28, 30 years right now. Okay? And they are not going anywhere. They are going to be here for years and years and years, and we will keep making money from them every month, every month, every month. So you need to join us to earn this passive income for life. Okay, in as much as your book is on Amazon, it will keep selling. It will keep selling. That is why it is a passive income. Okay, aside that, you have a global reach and impact. For example, last year I was nominated for a £20,000 book award in UK, and those who nominated me, they are not Nigerians, they're not from my country, they're not from Africa, they are from Japan. Why? They read my book and that book impacted them, and they nominated me. That is interesting. You are wherever you are and you are impacting people all over the world. Okay, using the Amazon KDP business model as a vehicle to achieve this. Okay, another interesting thing why you need to do this business is because over 75% of Amazon sales are from books alone. What does this tell you? It tells you that it is a fertile ground. It tells you that there is money here. If people are spending money buying books on Amazon, it is important that you also keep in and sell books on that Amazon so you can make money for yourself, passive income. Now, another advantage of this business model is that it also launches you into advanced digital publishing where you can earn minimum of $5,000 every month guaranteed. Every month, every month, every month. Okay? And one beautiful thing about this business is that you do not need any form of technical skill. You don't need any form of email marketing skill. You don't need any form of list building skill. You don't need any form of follow-up skill. You don't need any form of designing sales page or creating website. And the big one is that you don't need any form of startup capital. Yes, with our system, you don't need a startup capital. The only capital perhaps you would need is maybe the enrollment fee, which is very, very, very small compared to what you shall be getting. Okay? Interesting, right? Now, as I'm sure you know this man, Rene Omokari. He's a Nigerian former special advisor to SY president of Nigeria, Goodluck Jonathan. And just recently, he also got nominated as by Business Insider, one of the Africans, and I'm sure he will win because it's leading by a great margin alongside Elumelu of UBA, alongside Futsi of South African Co. All right, so he has continuously recommended Amazon KDP. In case you don't know him, I'm sure you know Robert Kiyosaki. Robert Kiyosaki has recommended this business severally. I'm sure you know if you're from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, you should also, even US, you should know Anik Sikar. He has recommended this business severally. If you are from Nigeria, you should also maybe have a little idea of who John Obidi is. John Obidi has recommended Amazon KDP. A lot of big people, a lot of influencers have recommended this business. So you need to get in. Okay, let me show you one interesting thing. It will wow you now. You say, wow, what have I been doing all my life? Now listen. Can you see where I circled with this should I call it orange circle? There's a green arrow, there's a blue arrow. The green arrow is pointing hashtag 28. It means BSR 28. BSR in KDP on Amazon means bestseller rank. Okay, if you create a book on Amazon, your book will be given a bestseller rank. So your book will be given a bestseller rank based on the performance. Okay, the higher the rank, as in maybe 100,000, 200,000, 500,000, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, the lesser the sale. But the lesser the rank, from maybe 100, 80, 50, 40, 30, 28, 29, downward, it means the higher the sale. It means the book that is ranked number 1 makes the highest sales, followed by the book ranked number 2, followed by number 3, followed by. So I hope you get the gist, right? Good. So this particular book is ranked number 28. Number 28, and it is priced $15.99. Now, I'm going to give you this software as well as my student. It will help you to calculate the BSR of books so that you know how many sales a particular book makes in a day or in a month. Now, let us calculate this particular book. Okay, we have imputed 28 here under the BSR rank. Now you can see 28 is under the BSR rank. When we click on calculate sales, it means in a day this book makes 2,332 copies are sold. 2,332 copies are sold every day, and every month 34,974 copies are sold every month. Are you doing the calculation? Don't forget the book is priced $15.99. Are you doing calculations already in your head? Now, let me bust the bubble. Let me show you something now. Now, look, the book is priced $15.99, as you can see here. Okay, good. Amazon commission, which is 30%, is 4.79%. $4.79, which means profit per copy sold is $11.2. Hope you are following. Good. Now, number of copies sold in a day is 2,332. Can you see it here? Okay, good. All right. So for us to calculate how much the author makes in a day, it means the the profit per copy multiplied by number of copies sold per day, which means 11.2 multiplied by 2,332 copies. It will give us $26,118,000 in 24 hours. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? This is amazing. Amazing. Now let's move over to how much this makes in a month. When you multiply the profit, $11.2, multiply it by the number of copies sold in a month, which will give us 34,974. Means this person makes $391,708 in a month. Wow. Wow. This is a sweet business, passive income. Passive, sweet income. All right. Now, what if you have a book that is ranked 5,000? Now, I told you, if your book is ranked 1, it means it is selling more than number 2. Number 2 sells more than number 3, like that. Okay. So let's say your book is not even ranked 1. It is not ranked 100. It is not ranked 1,000, not 3,000, not 4,000, not 4,500, but 5,000. Okay, and you make $7 per copy sold. So let's check our BSR calculator. We put our BSR, which is 5,000 there. We calculate the sales. It means every day your book will be giving you 50 sales, and every month 749 sales. When you multiply your profit, which is $7 by 50, you will get $350 every day. Awesome. And when you multiply your profit by the number of sales every month, you will get $5,243 in a month. Just one book, not 2 books, not 3 books, not 10 books, not 20 books, just one book. I'm sure this is giving you an idea of how much people like us make. We have over 200 books on Amazon. Don't worry, you will get there, okay? You will get there. You will get there. There's so much money to be made, okay? Well, if you are still watching this, that tells me that you are serious and committed to changing your life, your financial situation, and helping your loved ones, helping those around you, okay? Because I believe a lot of people, I know as you are watching this right now, maybe you want to help people around you, you want to help your family, or maybe you are financially handicapped. But I believe this business will help you so much. Okay. Now, if that is the case, here is what I can do for you. I would like to mentor you. I would like to show you the ropes when it comes to earning big money as an Amazon KDP expert. I will agree to take you under my wing, and I will mentor you every single step of the process. In case you don't know, I am African #1 KDP expert. Okay, we have trained over 1,500 people all over the world from over 25 countries, and they are doing massively well. So you are in the right place, you are in the right hand, okay, and we will try our best to guide and put you through so you can be our next success story. Okay, now here is the thing. I have put together a complete step-by-step blueprint. This is the best out there, honestly. It is the best out there. And this our blueprint is called Amazon KDP Passive Income Generator. This blueprint, all right, it's focused on how you can successfully and profitably make between $500 and $5,000 every month on Amazon, even as a beginner or someone who is already publishing on Amazon. Okay? Now, as you saw above, this is truly unlike anything else you have ever seen before. It is an easy to digest video system in which I pull the curtain on my own secrets, my own experiences, my own strategies, my own techniques, and I'm literally giving everything to you. Now, in this our blueprint, let me tell you what you shall be getting. The first thing you shall be getting is a complete Amazon KDP account setup plus walkthrough. Okay, a lot of people, I believe, some persons after watching this video, they'll quickly go to Google to go and search on how to create an Amazon account. But a lot of people will be disappointed because they will just be hooked on the way. They might not know what to do next. Okay, they won't know what to do next, especially when it comes to setting up their payment method and answering the tax interview question. But we are going to show you everything, and you can do this within 10 minutes. But if you don't have the right knowledge, you can spend days, spend weeks without even doing this right. Okay, you will also get a comprehensive training that will expose the business side of this Amazon KDP. People contact me every day from different parts of the world, and their complaint is, I am not making sale. I'm not making sale. The truth is that many of them don't understand the business side of Amazon KDP, and we shall be revealing this to you. Okay, we shall be doing that, revealing to you on a platter of gold, so that you can immediately start making money. Immediately you get started. Okay, so we are going to handle both the Kindle and paperback publishing secrets, handle our keyword research and usage techniques, handle best book pricing techniques. We're going to handle book formatting as well as book description secrets and different strategies to help you perform better. You will also get our bestseller book research secrets. Wow. With these secrets, it will be impossible for you not to succeed. Because with this secret, you'll be able to know what people are paying for, what people want to buy. It will now help you to create your book to suit that avatar. And what will happen? Sales will start flowing. Because if you don't know what people want to buy or what people are willing to pay for, and you go ahead to just gamble, you will not make money. Okay? So the easiest way of making money is to know what people want to buy, what people want to pay for. And that is what we shall also teach you in our bestseller book research secrets. Okay? One beautiful thing again we will give you is our bestseller toolkit. We have a compendium of tools we will give you. With these tools, your success is already 90%. A lot of people are struggling because they don't have these tools, but we are going to give them to you. You are not going to pay anything extra to get these tools from us. Okay? And our almighty writing without writing formula. Wow, this formula has done wonders. It has created millionaires. Okay, with this our writing without writing formula, you can create and publish a book in a day. Have you heard of that before? In a day. In a day. Yes. When I started, I used to do 2-3 books in 24 hours. Wow, awesome. And the best part of this formula is that you don't need to know or have any idea about whatever it is you want to work on. Once you just do your research, the way we will teach you, and your research tells you people want to pay for this or people are paying for this, your own duty is to use our writing without writing formula to get to act fast, okay, and create your book. And what will happen? Sales too will begin to flow for you, okay? We will also give you our bestseller checklist. With this checklist, it will be easy for you to do your book research. Very easy. Very easy. And one beautiful thing as well is you will also have access to our secret Facebook group. In this Facebook group, that is where we guide and mentor people further. See, we are not here to just teach you and leave you. No. We are passionate. We are committed to guide you, to hold you. That is why we talk about mentor you. Okay? To teach you what we do, to teach you what others do in our academy that is making them to succeed. That is why we have gathered all our students together. And in this group, you meet top personalities in the online space like Emeka Nobis, you meet Obina Okeke, you meet Nancy Chooks, you meet Value King Chinedu Paul, you meet Uncle Fenger like Benga Kinwole and Moses Uche, and a whole lot of big names that are too many to mention. Okay, we currently have over 1,300 members in our Facebook group, over, and they are all from over 20 countries. Okay, this is a place to be. You don't have to miss this place for anything. I just love the group. I love the family because everybody help each other. We love ourselves in this group, and we are doing well. Okay, now aside all the above that I have mentioned that you will get, let me also tell you that you will get some 3 You get 3 amazing bonuses. The first one is how to know a highly profitable and less competitive keywords to scale your business. I did a live training on this, so I'm going to reveal and release this training for you to also benefit from. Aside that, we also teach you how to create your USA bank account from any part of the world. Okay, and we'll also teach you how to create low and no content books, how to design them, how to create them, how to publish them. This is awesome. This is a full course on its own, but you will get it for free. I know a lady who makes $10,000 every month from this particular low and no content books design and publishing alone. Okay, now if you check the total value of everything, it is 3,330 US dollars. That is over 1.6 million naira. In your country, you can do the conversion and you will see it's kind of big in quote, all right? But the good news is that we want to help, okay? And we won't ask you to pay this money. We won't even ask you to pay half of it. We won't even ask you to pay quarter of the above mentioned amount. Why? Because we really want to help you. But under normal circumstance, we usually charge just $497, which is about 250,000 naira for our Amazon KDP course, our Amazon KDP training. Okay, everything you have seen. But this is what I will do for you. If you are among the first 20 persons to make payment, you will enjoy a massive 83% discount. The first 20 persons to make payment, you will enjoy a massive 83% discount. So instead of paying 250,000 naira or $497, you can run a transfer of just 40,000 naira or $80 now by clicking on the link below or anywhere around this video. Or you can even contact the person who sent this video to you, okay? So that they can guide you on how to get enrolled. Don't forget, the first 20 persons. Once we get this number of people, we will cut off this 83% discount. Okay? And aside the above 83% discount that you get, okay, if you are among the first 20 persons, we will also give you access to our newest training on how to use your smartphone to do this Amazon KDP business. There is nowhere on earth, there is nowhere in the world that you will get this. You can even go to YouTube, search for it. Go to Google, search for it. You cannot see that. We are the first, and we are proud of that, to design a system where you can use your smartphone to run Amazon KDP business. We are the first in the world. So don't miss this opportunity for anything. Try and be among the first person so you can get access to this training as well. Okay? This is a review from Nancy Chooks. She said, the best course on the internet for now with premium support always. I have made lots of money with the course and can provide proofs too. In fact, Victor Ashley should sell this course times 10. This is somebody who have gone through the course and she's got value, and she's even recommending that we set it higher. Okay, this is Obina Okeke. He said, when I was finally ready to get started with Amazon KDP, I got Victor Azubuike's course. Today, I have zero regret getting it. The course is simplified to the core, and Victor makes out time for his students in the members group. As you can see, they're always talking about support. Okay, because we don't believe in teaching you and leaving you by the way. We believe in teaching you and guiding you through the process. Okay, we have been there. We have sacrificed. Okay, we have got burnt. The reason why you need a mentor is for that mentor to put you through so you don't make the same mistakes he or she made. And we are here to be that mentor that you have been lacking, or you've been needing, or you've been desiring all this while. Okay, so again, instead of paying just 250,000 naira or $497, you can get in now with just 40,000 naira or $80 by clicking on the link below or anywhere around this video, or contacting the person that sent this video to you. All right, and don't forget, this 80% discount is time bound. It is limited, and it's only available for the first 20 persons. So do yourself justice, do yourself good, and take advantage of this 83% discount by paying just 40,000 Naira or $80. Okay? Once again, I want to appreciate you for taking out time to listen and watch this short presentation on how Amazon KDP works, on how you can make between $500 to $5,000 every month just by making use of your phone or your laptop to upload books on Amazon without any form of writing skill. So thank you for watching. I want to see you in the academy. Peace. Enjoy your day.
Thanks very much to Mr. Ashley for that comprehensive training on Amazon KDP. And thank you everyone that stuck around for this webinar. I really appreciate and I am grateful for your support. I really appreciate you sticking around till the end of this webinar. And like I said, I have a big bonus. I have a big giveaway for people that attended this webinar. So if you attended the webinar and you have not saved my WhatsApp number, I'm going to drop a link to my WhatsApp on the comment section. Click on it and come to my WhatsApp and save my number, because I'm going to be dropping all those bonuses on my WhatsApp status. So you don't want to miss out on that. So you have to make sure you save them and make sure you save my number and watch my status for the latest update, because I'm going to be giving a huge, massive bonus and giveaway in the next 48 hours of this webinar. So watch out. If you have any question, drop them on the comment section and I will answer them. And if there is anything you want me to talk about on how to make money online or on Amazon KDP, just drop it on the comment section and I will do a video on it. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe and hit the notification icon so you can get notified whenever I drop a video. Thank you very much. Bye.